This is about getting started with AI, which is a pretty broad, huge topic. So if you don't mind, Glenn, I just want to, if we can just take it from the beginning, if you can talk about quickly, like the first, those crucial first steps that any company looking into AI needs to take.
Sure. You know, when I think about this, I think about this at a high level within the organization. So senior executives, the board members, what have you. And yet, getting started with AI often bubbles up from the bottom, where a team might want to be using a chat bot, or somebody might actually buy some sales-oriented software that incorporates AI. So you might start to see within the organization applications using AI, and yet that's not often, well, that is a good way to start, but at the corporate level, the thinking needs to be about what is the strategy, the corporate strategy first, not about AI, but the corporate strategy. So for example, are we trying to enter more markets as an organization? Are we trying to reduce our costs as an organization? Are we trying to release new products as an organization? So looking at one of those core strategy questions, then we look at where can AI fit into that?
I'm offering a complimentary coaching session to CEOs. If you're accepted, you'll receive a one-on-one coaching session with me at absolutely no cost or obligation. Due to my current commitments, I'm only able to accept a modest number of requests for coaching. During the coaching session, we'll immediately go to work and address your highest priority challenges. You will walk away with ways to begin solving your biggest problems. And you'll get a sense for whether or not we're a fit for each other. To see if you qualify for this coaching session, visit the website currently showing on your screen, or click the link in the description below. Thank you.
Now, one of the most important components to enabling AI to fit in to address a corporate strategic issue is data. So one question then to ask is, where is a rich data environment where we can take advantage of this? One example might be in a manufacturing facility on the factory floor. There are ways to collect an enormous amount of data through sensors. That could be an area of focus. The next could be, we want to understand consumer behavior better. So how can we find and use rich data sets to get there? So you're starting to identify the overlap between corporate strategy and where you can find good data. That is the best place to start.